Tapping that cruise button and nothing happens? Let's find out why. First, check the obvious stuff. Is your check engine light on? If yes, cruise control won't work until that's fixed. Cruise control is tied to your car's engine and safety systems, so any problem there can shut it down. Next, make sure your brake lights work. If a brake light bulb is out, or the brake pedal switch is broken, your Honda thinks you're braking, even when you're not, and cancels cruise control. Also, check if you're going too slow. Cruise control only works above about 25 miles per hour. Below that, it won't turn on. Still not working? The cruise control button or fuse could be faulty. Fuses are easy to check in your owner's manual. Just look for the cruise control fuse in the diagram and see if it's blown. Finally, some newer Accords have sensors for lane keeping or collision detection. If those systems have a warning, cruise control can switch off for safety reasons. So, if your Honda Accord's cruise control isn't working, start simple. Check warning lights, brake lights, speed, and fuses. For anything deeper, it's best to see a mechanic. Keep your ride safe, and your cruise control ready for your next road trip.